All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Northwest Regional event of the National Girls in ICT competition. This initiative is by the Federal Ministry of Communication, Innovation, and Digital Economy. We're really excited to hear some of the amazing projects that you will be presenting today. We have three judges reviewing your presentations. Please ensure that all microphones are on mute while you're not presenting so you don't interrupt the event. On our panel of judges, we have Mr. Nnamdi, Ms. Maimuna, and Dr. May. They will all be reviewing the presentations you've made. And we would also like to acknowledge the presence of all the hubs who have been supporting all the teams through the course of this event. Before we officially kick off, we would like to start with the national anthem. So in a few minutes' time, the event will officially start. All right, once again, welcome to the Northwest Regional event for the National Girls in ICT competition. We're excited to have everyone here today, and we look forward to listening to your amazing presentation and seeing what you've done so far. Each team would have 10 minutes to make a presentation and then 5 minutes for question and answer sessions. The first state that will be presenting today is Kano State. Please confirm if you're on the call by turning on your microphone and saying hi or hello. Do we have Kano State on this call?
Yes. Yes.
All right, great. So representing Kano State, we have the Sweet Haven High School team, and they've been under the supervision of the Innovate Lab in Kano State. You have 10 minutes for your presentation. Your time starts now. I wish you all the best.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mariam Aminu. Hello, everyone. My name is Mariam Aminu Bello from Sweet Haven High School, Kano State, Nigeria. And with me here is Zuleha Murtala Arukayegar. And I'm here to present to you our software platform called Community Watch, which aims at revolutionizing community policing in Nigeria. Now, the main problem we normally face in Nigeria is insecurity, which is based on inefficient crime reporting, delayed response time, and lack of trust in the security infrastructure. Just imagine you witnessed a crime and you want to report to the police, but you don't know how to because even if you do, the response you get from them will be delayed. But surely Communal Watch has the solution to all this because of its core functionalities like incident reports. You can report a crime you witnessed, anonymous reporting, an unknown person who doesn't want his real identity to be disclosed can report anonymously with verification using AI. Positive Communal Watch's positive effects is to improve public safety and strengthen community cohesion. One of our distinctive features include accessibility and inclusivity. Our app, Communal Watch, supports multiple languages to ensure that everyone participates in creating a safer community. But who benefits from our app? Citizens, the individuals of Nigeria, law enforcement agencies like NDLEA, EFCC, and NAFDAC and other stakeholders invested in public safety. Our market opportunity are increasing demand for innovative solutions to improve community police relations in Nigeria. So how does Communal Watch reach our customers? By organizing workshops, creating awareness, leveraging partnerships with the police, NDLEA, and encouraging word of mouth. We have direct and indirect competitors like the iPolice and Eagle Eye. But what sets Communal Watch different from other apps is the innovative features like real-time alerts. We have strong partnerships with the law enforcement agencies, user-friendly design, and seamless functionality. Revenue model, sustainable growth. Communal Watch will be free to all, but in signing up, they will come to a point where for you to proceed, you have to subscribe. Communal Watch will surely progress in the future by getting negative and positive feedbacks from our customers and potential integration with smart city initiatives. Funding requirements. An estimated amount of $50,000 is needed for Communal Watch's operational expenses. Meet my team. Rikayya Garu is in charge of the business, Zuleha Murtala in charge of the technical aspect of Communal Watch, and I'm Mariam Aminu Bello in charge of the operation. I now leave you with Zuleha Murtala so that she can tell you more about the technical aspect of Communal Watch. Thank you for listening.
So hello everyone. Mariam has already introduced me. I'm Zuleha Murtala by the way, and I'm responsible for the technical aspect of this project. So this is Communal Watch, the website. So when you come, you have our home, our services, contact us, about us, and anonymous. This anonymous is a place where you will be able to report anonymously. Here you type your emergency. Let me just give you a brief example, like kidnapping. Then you write your own address, write your address, and this is where you write your any little information about the emergencies. So here we have the login or the sign up page. This sign up page is simply where you'll be able to register. And in the register page, we have the email. I'll give you a brief example. So here I'll write my email and my name. I'll add my name here. Then the phone number. Sorry. And the password, I'll write my password here and I'll register. As you can see, when I registered, it automatically took me to the login page and it showed me that my registration has been successful. So here I have the email and the password. This email has to be the same as the one that you used before in the registering page. So here it is. And the password too. I'll write my password and it will log in. Immediately you log in, it will take you to the dashboard. So this is my dashboard. And as you can see here, it is where I have a map and this blue dot shows that this is my current location here. And after the dashboard, we have the emergency. This emergency is a place where you can, this is a place where you'll be able to show, where it will show you that what type of emergency you're reporting, whether theft, burglary, or kidnapping. And in the message here, it shows message. This is a place where you'll be able to write little bits of information about the your emergencies. So in the settings, this is where you'll be able to change your password. You want to change your password or you want to change your email, you click on the settings and it will take you there. So this address is a place where you write your address. Immediately you write your address, it will route you or show you where you find the nearest hospital or the nearest police station that you can find. So in the logout, we made it possible for people using the app to whether they can log in or log out. So I'll hand the mic over to Maria Garu so that she can tell you more about Communal Watch.
Hi everyone. Organized community police of Nigeria. Our platform Criminal Watch is not just about our team is made up of passionate individuals, including young minds who believe in making a difference. We understand the challenges faced by our communities and are committed to finding innovation solutions. With Communal Watch, we aim to bridge the gap between law enforcement and communities. We want to create a platform where everyone feels safe, heard, and valued. Our contact us page is designed to be user-friendly and accessible with multi-contact options available for our user convenience, whether you prefer to reach out through phone, chat, or email. We're here to assist you. We invite you to visit our website and try out our contact us page.
Do we still have Sweet Haven schools on the call? I think they seem to be having some technical issues. Please confirm if you can hear us.
Yeah, we can hear you.
All right, please go on with your presentation. Can we all make sure that our microphones are on mute? Do we still have Sweet Haven schools on the call?
Can you hear us?
Yes, we can. You have 2 minutes left. Are you done with your presentation?
Yes, we're done. But
Okay,
did you hear
great.
us?
Yes, we did.
Did
I
you hear the
believe so.
presentation?
Yes, we did. I believe so. So judges, you have 5 minutes for Q&A. The floor is yours.
We're done. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, Sweet Haven Schools. Good afternoon. My name is Nnamdi. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So I said Sweet Haven Schools, well done with your presentation. That was really amazing and quite informative. I like the idea. I would like you to walk me through your plans for monetization one more time, please. Just very quickly, 30 seconds. How do you think you can make money from the deployment of this app? Is it just me or I cannot hear anything?
Yeah, I think we may have lost them.
Okay.
Can the Bisma brains just hold on and stop sharing their screen, please? All right. Sweet Haven Schools, please let us know when you are back on the call. We're just going to give them a few more minutes, let's say 2 minutes to get back on the call. And if we don't hear from them, we may need to proceed.
Just I'll bring it so that you can hear.
Sorry, we couldn't hear you. Could you please repeat the question?
Okay. So I commended your presentation and I said I liked it. It's quite an
We
innovative
can't
idea.
hear you. Sorry.
Can you hear me clearly now?
No. Your voice is low.
But I can hear you very well. What of now?
We can hear you.
Okay, so I basically wanted you to use 20 seconds. I said amazing presentation, innovative idea. I want you to use 20 seconds to walk me through how you intend to monetize.
It's better. Yes.
We may have to move on. Shakira, can you hear me?
Yes, I can actually hear you loud and clear. So I think they seem
So
to be
it's not
having
my network then, yeah. But it's fine, we
yes.
could move on so we don't waste time. It's fine.
Okay, great. So moving on to the next state, can the school representing Katsina State please confirm if you're on this call?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. So representing Katsina State, we have team FSP Girls from Family Support Program School Katsina, and they've been under the supervision of the Lumi Lab Hub. Welcome on board. You would have 10 minutes for your presentation and 5 minutes for question and answers by our judges. I would like all schools to note that during question and answer sessions, your microphone must remain turned on and only the students are allowed to speak and take the questions from our judges. So your time starts now. You have 10 minutes for your presentation. I wish you all the best.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to welcome you all panel of adjudicators. I'm by name Umakusum Aliyu Talaka from Team FSP Katsina, proudly representing Katsina. I'm here with my colleagues and to present our solution based on education, which is attendance management system. I learned that in our school, it takes difficult time for teachers to take attendance, especially during lesson period. It takes at least half of the period, which does not enable the student to learn more from their teachers. There have been pure tracking and lack of policy. So, in today's dynamic work environment, where remote work and flexible schedules are the norms, keeping tracking of student attendance can be a challenge, but presentism, where students are physically present but mentally attendance management system can be a game changer. Attendance management can transform your business. Attendance management system is a digital platform designed to efficiently record, monitor, maintain, manage student data, and keep track of
You're
their
not
regular
sharing your
activities.
screen. You're not
So,
sharing your screen.
attendance management is a digital platform that can help teachers to take attendance in an easy way. This software will process the way to take attendance. This software will make
Hello, Shakira. Can you hear me, please?
Yes, I can. I think they seem to be having some technical issues as well.
the process of taking attendance.
Could you please make them start again and share their screen? They're not sharing their screen.
And also,
So due to time constraints, we may not be able to get them to start again. But
Can they
however,
share their screen and continue?
yes, can you share your screen, please?
Lumilab, please support them to share their screen. Lumilab.
we developed CSS, PHP, backend and frontend. We use the JavaScript, PHP for backend of the software. While for the
I think, Shakira, we should go to the next team and allow them when they're ready to come back. Mhm.
Okay, great. So the next state that will be making a presentation is Kaduna State. Please confirm if you are on this call. Do we have the school from Kaduna State on this call? Please turn on your microphone and say hi or hello.
Hello.
Okay, great. So representing Kaduna State, we have the Dialogue Academy in Kaduna, and the name of this team is Dialogue Academy Girls Team. They've been under the supervision of eFix Innovation Hub. In here today, just like every other school, you have 10 minutes for your presentation and 5 minutes for question and answers from our judges. Can all other teams ensure that their microphones are turned off while they make their presentation? Team Dialogue girls, your time start now. I wish you all the best.
Assalamu alaikum. Good day to all the members of the National Girls in ICT competition. We are students of Dialogue Academy Kaduna, and it is a great pleasure to be part of this project. My name is Amina Husna Mukhtar from grade 9.
My name is Fasma Abubakar, also a grade 9 student.
And my name is Halima Sadias, and also in grade 9. We are thrilled to present PharmaFind, an innovative mobile application designed to simplify the drug search process. PharmaFind is targeted at individuals who seek a convenient and efficient way of searching for drugs without the need of visiting multiple pharmacies. Let's delve into how PharmaFind solves our problem. Now, the problem we address is the difficult process people face when searching for specific medication, often requiring them to move from one pharmacy to another in search for a particular drug. This process is time-consuming, inconvenient, and can be very frustrating. Individuals may even have a hard time in finding information on the drug availability, the price, and the location of the vendor, thus making the search process unnecessarily complicated. To address these issues, we designed PharmaFind to reform and simplify the drug search process.
Although there
Users can effortlessly search for drugs, and the app will provide a list of vendors who possess the desired medication and also the price and the location of the vendor. Although there are other healthcare and pharmacy-related apps, most focus on specific aspects such as drug information and prescription management. These apps include Drug Book, which is an all-medicine app; Drug X, it helps you to diagnose your disease; Medicinal Pharmacy in the UAE, who sell mostly skincare products; Medical Digital Home Health Pharmacy in the, that helps you to keep track of your medications. Few provide a comprehensive solution like PharmaFind. The competition aims to address specific pain points in the pharmaceutical space, but often lacks a holistic approach. This is how PharmaFind intends to improve after the competition. PharmaFind integrates drug availability, pricing, and vendors' location in one search, offering a complete solution. PharmaFind prioritizes simplicity, offering a positive and seamless user experience. PharmaFind provides up-to-date information, allowing users to make informed decisions based on current data. The pharmaceutical industry is massive, with billions being spent annually on medications globally. The Nigerian pharmaceutical industry is estimated to have spent $1,693,000 on medications in the year 2024. Over the past 5 years, the pharmaceutical industry has seen massive growth, showcasing an increasing reliance on technology for healthcare solutions.
PharmaFind adopts a commission-based model. Vendors listed on the platform will pay a small commission for each successful transaction facilitated through the app. We intend to offer subscription services for vendors providing in-app advertisements. For our market strategy, PharmaFind will collaborate with pharmacies and drugstores to bring them on board the PharmaFind platform. We also launch targeted marketing campaigns to create awareness about PharmaFind among potential users. We'll also be using social media such as influencers and use feedback to our advantage. PharmaFind starts at. So for our timeline, the first phase is the UI design, which we are already done with, and then app development is on the way. So after app development, we'll go to phase 2, which is testing the app by using resources from Dialogue Pharmacy, which is part of the Dialogue group. Then after that, for phase 3, we will campaign and we will advertise our products. For phase 4, we'll launch the app. So PharmaFind stands at the intersection of innovation and efficiency in the pharmaceutical landscape. We aim to be the go-to solution for anyone seeking medication, not just as a search, but an entire process which simplifies and enhances the process. With our substantial market size and our unique selling propositions, we are confident that PharmaFind will be a game changer in the healthcare technology space. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for that wonderful presentation. Judges, you have 5 minutes for questions.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
And well done to you. Nice presentation. Your idea is great. I have no questions as you have touched on the critical components, particularly the revenue model. I think it's quite decent. I do not have any specific question to the team, but just well done, and I wish you the best in the competition.
If you'd permit me, we want to display a demo of our app, but we're having problem connecting. Yeah, we're having problem connecting. We don't know why. See, it's louder.
All right, so you still have 3 minutes left from Q&A.
Okay.
If you're not able to sort it out and there's no further questions, from the judges, we may need to move on to the next team.
We'll let them use the remaining 2 minutes to present if they can.
Yes, if they can.
Well done, team.
Yeah, we want to present our demo, but we have problem connecting.
What issue are you having with connecting?
Sir?
What issue are you having with connecting?
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Please, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
All right. The emulator, they are going to run an MIT App Inventor app, but the emulator is it's slow. It's giving us problem. Please, I don't know.
Okay, no, they won't have the time for that. It would not even affect the presentation. I wanted them to use the last 2 minutes to present that, but if it's having technical issues, it's fine. It's okay.
It won't. Okay, all right, then we'll just use pictures then. I think we can use pictures to show.
Yeah.
It's actually a working app. We'll
Okay,
just use
if you
pictures.
can, fine. If you cannot, it's still fine.
Okay, all right.
All right. So unfortunately, we have to stay on schedule and we will be moving on to the next team.
Please,
Thank you very much.
you can ask them questions. If you can ask them the questions now, please, before.
I don't believe the judges have any more questions for them. Yeah. All right. So thank you very much, Team Dialogue. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Kindly stop sharing your screen so that the next team can do that for their presentation. All right. So the next state to be making a presentation is Jigawa State. Please confirm if you're on this call. Do we have the team from Jigawa State? Awesome. So representing Jigawa State is LP's International School, and the name of this team is Creative Fun Inventors. The Creative Fun Inventors team has been under the supervision of the Startup Jigawa Hub. You have 10 minutes for your presentation and another 5 minutes for question and answer. Your time starts now. I wish you all the best.
Please, Startup Jigawa, come and set it up for them. Startup Jigawa, come and set it up for them.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Esther Mayaki from Elvis International School.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gracious Olorilope from Elvis International School.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hassan Usman from Elvis International School. The name of our project is GSIL, Security Logs. GSIL, Security Log System.
Today, so many factors is responsible for the issue of security. Some of these factors are unemployment and economic hardship, amongst others. There's global economic crisis, and Nigeria is not exempted. It is biting so hard that many houses are being bubbled into.
The heightened risk necessitates a proactive and technologically advanced approach to fortify residential security to save our girls and women who are most vulnerable during such invasion. Therefore, there is a pressing need to adopt innovative solutions such as embedded systems for our adults to enhance the protection of our household across Jigawa State. In 2023, one Sunday morning, myself, my parents, and my siblings rushed out of the house to attend Sunday service. Though we were late, my parents still took us to church. Barely an hour later, we returned from church, only to discover that our house was broken into. The intruder took a laptop and items from my mom's purse. This is one of the reasons why me and my friends decided to embark on this project.
Due to Jigawa State, which has been known to enjoy peace grapples with surge in home invasion amidst economic inflation, traditional security measures have proven insufficient to adequately safeguard our homes. Conventional locks and security systems are increasingly vulnerable to the break-in technique employed by criminals.
Our solution will protect our houses, the girl child, and even create job opportunities for the unemployed.
Join us in this noble project. As we all know, we are collectively responsible to protect vulnerable members of society. We will be working through our projects now. This box is our project, GCU. This box is our project, GCU, and it comprises of so many components. Some of the components are LCD and RFID card. The rest of the components are in the box. So LCD, which I'm talking about, LCD, it is called liquid crystal display. It is used to show or display information, whether it is giving you access or denying access. Relay, which is in the box, it is an electromagnetic switch. It is used to trigger the solenoid lock.
This is the solenoid lock. It is an electromagnetic lock that is used for opening and closing the door. We have Arduino, which is in the box. It is a microcontroller that is used for uploading programs. Jumper wires, it is in the box and it's used for making connections. Buzzer, it's in the box and it's used for making sound when you put the wrong card in. RFID, that is radio frequency identifier. It identifies tagged objects and also tracks objects. This is the RFID card. It sends radio signal to the RFID in a radio form, and the RFID receives the radio signal transmitted from the card. Let me show you how it works. When you put the right card, it shows a green light, which means your access is granted. But when you put the wrong card, it shows a red light, which means access is denied. Thank you everyone that has been a part of supporting us, LP's International School Management Team, Startup Jigawa, and our other coaches. We would like the federal and state government to join us in this adventure in putting Jigawa State and Nigeria on the world map this year as one of the African young innovators, which is focused toward the safety of our citizens, especially the girl child. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you for that presentation. Judges, we have 5 minutes for question and answer. The floor is yours.
Hello, LPs. Good afternoon. I really loved your presentation. It's quite detailed, and I like how you demoed it. So give me 2 examples of how GLOC comes into play. Where I
Can't
can
you come again?
Sir, we can't hear you.
I said amazing presentation. I like how detailed it was and how you showed the technical components. I also like how you demoed it. So give me 2 instances of how I can use the solution. Where can I use the solution? How would it come into play? How would it solve the problems that you have earlier identified?
You can use this to solve problems by putting the card in, and it helps by when maybe if you forget to lock the door, and it is also used on a door. And if you forget to lock the door, if you forget to lock the door, this one, it automatically closes the door, but you need the card to open the door.
Okay, well done. Well done.
All right.
Do we have any more questions for them?
Hello, and well done on the presentation. I think you have answered my question. I wanted to know exactly how this works. I didn't quite catch that during the presentation. So, but well done, and thank you for your presentation. All the best.
Okay, great. So thank you for your presentation. You may stop sharing your screen now so the next team can prepare to make their own presentation. The next state to be presenting is Kebbi State. Please, you are on the call. Do we have representatives from Kebbi State?
No.
All right. If they are not here yet, we'll be moving on to the next state. Are you here?
Yeah, we are there.
All right. So representing Kebbi State is Basaura Institute of Comprehensive Education, and the name of this team is the Pace Setter under the supervision of Idea Oasis Hub. You have 10 minutes for your presentation and 5 minutes for Q&A. Your time starts now.
Hey everyone, we are from Basora Institute of Comprehensive Education, representing Kebbi State. We are the best team. My name is Badamas Rodia, to my right, Hanifa Mustafa, to my left, Sweetdown Fulawan. We developed a groundbreaking education initiative known as Digital Classroom. This innovative package is designed to facilitate continuous learning with a primary focus on addressing major challenges on areas posed by banditry. Digital Classroom is an e-learning platform crafted to offer flexible and accessible educational content. It enables continuous learning. It was designed using Google Site, a website creation tool offered by Google that allows users to easily create.
Can you be more audible? We're struggling to hear you. Can you speak louder?
We developed a package that facilitates continuous learning. The focus of addressing the major challenge posed by banditry in the northwestern part of Nigeria. The best center is to provide a comprehensive and adaptive
Setters, I cannot hear you. And if we can't hear you, we can't judge you.
Setters, can you make sure that you are speaking close to your computer?
Idea
so we can
always
hear you clearly.
Hello, Idea Oasis.
Cognitive power of education.
Hello, can you hear us?
Yes, Idea Oasis, we can hear you, but we can't hear the girls.
The commitment of our team reflects on our strength. The commitment of our team reflects our shared belief in the transformative power of education. We are eager to implement the Pace Setter's digital classroom as a beacon of hope and movement, fostering a culture of learning that transcends the challenges faced by the best children in the northwestern part of Nigeria. Our website program is a great way to communicate with parents, and it serves as a central location for students to practice. The digital classroom helps students design and develop the best-in-class learning experience, and it really helps them to navigate through the digital world. How do we operate? We have the home page, which consists of two objectives. which are growth, impact, and flexibility. Growth for digital class involves expanding the database, content offering, geographical reach, and technological capability. It aims to increase user engagement, retention, and overall impact of learning outcomes. We have the impact. Impact as an objective of digital class involves striving to make a significant and positive difference in the educational experience and outcome of students. Last but not least, flexibility. Flexibility as an objective of digital class involves ensuring that the platform can adapt to the evolving needs and preferences of students. We have the second tab, the class tab. Now we have two classes, which are SS1, SS, and SS2. When we click into the SS1, we have subjects which the learner has the opportunity to choose, which are mathematics, English, physics, biology, chemistry, and the likes. Clicking on the maths, the learner also has the opportunity to click on terms. Also, the learner has the opportunity to download the material in PDF. Moving on, we have the video, where the audiovisual materials can be used for learning. People that are more conversant in watching videos can come to this tab. Here are some videos. We have videos for physics, biology, chemistry, and the likes. Here is the assignment tab, where students can test their ability if they understood the subject at the length. These are some questions that they can practice. Here are some questions they can practice. Moving on to the next tab, we have the feedback tab. In this tab, the students can ask questions or having difficulties navigating the website. We look forward to solving students' engagement problems across the northwestern part of Nigeria through our program called the Classroom. Thank you for your time.
Hello?
Hello, is that the end of your presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you very much. Judges, we have 5 minutes for question and answer.
Hello, pace setters. I really love that you took your time to show how it will work, and I even saw practice questions as well as feedback form. I'm not really sure I heard how you intend to make money from this, except I'm wrong. I was waiting for that aspect. How are you going to monetize this solution? So just explain that in 45 seconds.
Plan on collaborating with schools and NGOs, online classes.
Sorry, what did you say?
Said we plan on collaborating with NGOs and online classes. We plan on collaborating with NGOs and schools with online classes.
Oh, okay. You plan on collaborating with schools and NGOs and schools. Okay. Schools and NGOs. That's good. What happened? You should think about a subscription model. You should probably add a subscription model to this, pay-as-you-go service. All in all, well done. Nice presentation. I said you should think about adding a subscription model to your service. All in all, it's a great presentation. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, and well done to the team, pace setters. So I struggled to hear your presentation, but I don't know if this was captured. So this is a web app, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So my question is, how do you plan to make this accessible to all? You know, I would assume that I would need a device, I would need internet, so how do you make this accessible? This supposed to be for the elites? Is this for private schools? I hear that you plan to make money, by collaborating with NGOs, but do you plan to use tablets to make this accessible? What are your thoughts around accessibility to this platform?
We can use phones, tablets, or laptops to access our app.
Okay. So is this for private schools? Is this for everybody? How do you plan to ensure that this actually impacts on education generally in Kebbi State?
We are applying it for generally because we are going to turn some materials into PDF so that the students can learn it offline, he or she, when she is busy, so that she can make it more convenient for her.
Okay, so let me cite a scenario for you, right? I am in SS2 and I don't have a phone, I don't have a laptop. And even when I do, I don't even have money to buy data.
Don't off it.
Do you now understand my question?
Ma'am, I didn't get it.
Okay, so I think my final comments would be you need to think around making this accessible to all, ensuring that even people with limited access to internet or devices are able to utilize this platform. The goal, I believe, should be to support education and improve outcomes of education in Kebbi State. But thank you for your presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Tim. Peace. Seta, thank you so much for your presentation. Kindly stop sharing your screen so that the next team can prepare to make their presentation. The next state that we will be calling on is Sokoto State. Please confirm that you are on this call by saying hi or hello.
Hello.
All right, so representing Sokoto State, we have Government Girls College, and the name of this team is BISMA team. They've been under the guidance of the Sustainable Impact Hub. Just like every other team, you have 10 minutes for your presentation and 5 minutes for question and answers. Your time starts now. I wish you all the best.
Minister of Information and Digital Economy. The final job is timekeeper, invited guests, my colleagues from other states, listeners and viewers at home. Good day to you. I'm Maria Sadiqa by name, a part of the Basement Brains team of Government Girls Institute, and together with me is Marquis Bello. Once upon a time, in my community, there was a man who was so experienced. He married for 10 years after anytime. He cried, he prayed, to God mercy. One day, his wife became pregnant and delivered a baby. After the baby was healed out and examined and reported, the doctor concluded that the child had an attack of malaria. After 2 days of treatment, the baby died. Standing here before you to present a project titled Electronic Mosquito Repellent Cycles. With the rising number of mosquito-borne
diseases like malaria or dengue, control of mosquitoes is something of utmost importance in the present day. Therefore, special products are required like mosquito repellents to combat mosquitoes. This project is aimed at developing a device that is capable of emitting ultrasonic energy of various frequencies. These frequencies do affect the auditory senses of birds such as mosquitoes, rodents, ants, and nocturnal insects by making them uncomfortable in their abode. However, these frequencies do not affect the hearing ability of birds. Some of the anticipated impacts are the device to reduce the number of mosquito bites and risk of mosquito-borne diseases. The device to reduce the need for using other mosquito control methods. It is a safe and harmless device that do not affect humans, pests, and plants. The ultrasonic sound waves are inaudible to most people and do not cause any irritation or discomfort. Some of the components to be used are battery, transistors, piezo elements, capacitors, resistors, switch, and timer, and all of the components that are listed are to be displayed on the side. So, as you can all see, here is our machine, here is the switch, and here is the timer, and all of the resistors are displayed as. Malaria cases affect pregnant women, fetus, newborn, and other women. Many measures have been taken to tackle the rapid spread of the disease, but the measures fail and causes so much implication to public health. We have to understand that the agent of this disease is the female anopheles mosquitoes, with the help of causing sound from male mosquitoes. So, instead of using pesticide, mosquito nets, mosquito coil, malaria injection, and tablet, we can apply the technological method that will stop the bite completely. The male and female anopheles mosquito process does not take place at the same time. While the male makes the buzzing sound, it distracts the host. Then the female will inject the host with malaria parasite. So, therefore, by using mosquito repellent circuits, the circuit will continue making undisturbable sound, similar to that of male mosquitoes, which will not allow the female anopheles mosquito to come around. So, therefore, no bites, no malaria disease, no malaria disease, no deaths of pregnant women, fetus, and newborn. So, why malaria? Why mosquitoes? Nearly every minute, a child under 5 years dies of malaria, and many of these deaths are preventable and treatable. According to UNICEF, in 2023, there were 249 million malaria cases that globally led to 608,000 deaths. 76% were children. There were 350,000 Nigerian children that died from the disease in a year. According to World Health Organization, Nigeria is home to the highest number of global malaria. In 2022, there were 650,000 pregnant women with malaria in Nigeria. Malaria is responsible for 20% of stillbirths and 11% of maternal death by way of spontaneous abortion, anemia, placenta, pathologies, infant mortality and morbidity, miscarriage, premature delivery, and low birth, which all have serious public health implications for the mothers, the fetus, and the babies. In conclusion, the electronic mosquito repellent circuit can repel mosquitoes by producing ultrasound in the range of 20 to 40 kilohertz. Electronic repellent can do that. Thank you all for listening. Thank
Thank you for your presentation. Judges, we have 5 minutes for Q&A.
Thank you very much, Shakira. Well done, Bismarck Brains team. I have a very quick question. One, how much does it cost to produce this device you have designed? Do you have an idea?
It costs 2,000 naira.
It costs 2,000 naira to put the device together.
Yes.
And how long do you think the device would last? What is the lifetime expectancy of the device? How long do you think the device can last? 2 years, 3 years?
More than 2 years.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello?
You can hear.
Hi, Shakira, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Ma'am, are you still on the call?
I think we can just proceed, Shakira. Yeah, okay. Oh, we can see the device now.
All right. Thank you very much for your presentation. Memuna, do you have any questions for them?
Thank you.
Okay, so I think I'll just pick it up from where he drops. The lifespan or life cycle of how long does this device last? So if it costs you 2,000 naira to produce, right? You'd be selling this at a reasonable amount of profit. So if I'm buying this, how long do I need to use it for before it expires or before I would need another device?
The machine can live as I am as far as the battery is.
Okay, battery. Okay,
Yes,
the
it depends
lifespan
on
of the
the
battery. Okay,
Yes.
so how about the range of the device? For example, if I have a one room, just my room, I would assume that I just need one. So did you factor that in? How many a household would need? What's the range of the device?
Okay,
Because I
yes,
didn't hear that in okay.
yes,
Sorry?
the machine could cover 12 to 15 centimeters.
12 to 15
Centimeter in a room.
centimeter
Yes.
or meters.
Yes, meters, sorry.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. That will be all from me.
Okay, great. So thank you very much for your presentation. I wish your team all the best.
Thank you.
The next team that will be making a presentation is from Zamfara State. Kindly confirm if you're on the call by saying hi or hello. Do we have the team from Zamfara here with us today?
If Zamfara is not available, then we give Kazina a chance to come up and present us.
All right, great. Team FSP girls, are you ready to make your presentation?
Yes, we are ready.
All right, your time starts now.
I welcome you all, estimate panel of adjudicators. I'm by name Kulsum Aliu Talaka from Team FSP, proudly representing Katsina. I'm with my colleagues and to present our solution based on education, which is attendance management system. Attendance management system is a digital platform designed to efficiently record and monitor the attendance of students in an easy way in educational institutions. I learned that in our school, it takes difficult time for teachers to take attendance, especially during lesson period. It takes at least half of the period, which does not enable the students to learn more from their teachers. Now, in today's dynamic work environment, where remote work and flexible schedules are the norms, attendance management system can transform your business. Attendance management system can be your game changer. It saves time, effort, money, space, and other resources. This traditional system The traditional system is still mostly used in the classroom, and in most school today, family support program inclusive.
The problem of this manual system is that there is too much implementation of data, and also there must be most possible human errors, and slow in nature, and it will take a lot of time. And the solution, this new system, it will not take a lot of time. There is data security, accuracy, enhancing productivity, and so on.
We developed the software by using the following technologies: HTML, PHP, JavaScript, CSS. The languages that we use in creating the softwares are front-end and back-end. We use the PHP and JavaScript in creating the back-end of the software, while the HTML and CSS are used in creating the front-end of the software. Some may be asked the meaning of front-end and the back-end is given in the following. That paragraph. Why we don't anything outside for users that cannot see in the website. So let me just briefly explain the meaning of these technologies and their uses in our software. The PHP means the hypertext preconditions. We use it in kind of in the software.
Benedicta, can you please mute your microphone? Please continue with your presentation.
The JavaScript is used for dynamically update context. And the HTML means hypertext markup language is the building block of the software. The CSS cascading style sheets we use it in styling the software. Thank you.
Furthermore, our software provides a valuable quick access to every information. It's improved communication between schools and parents, providing data accurate record keeping. It offers a secure it automates the process of tracking student attendance, making it easier for teachers or administrators, and reducing manual tasks and simplifying the flow of information. So, how our software works? First, as an admin, you can log in, enter your details, then dash the administrator dashboard. You can add a student and remove a student. But as a teacher, you can't add it as you can't add student. You can just only take attendance and get out. Now you can there is many arms in class A, B, or C. So you can create arms in this dashboard. Class, how to create a class SS1, 2, JS. There is many classes, so you can create it. So as an admin, you have to add, when you add student, you have to add the teacher, that the mistress or master of that class. So in this dashboard, as an admin, you have to add the teacher. As a teacher, you can log in, enter your details, and only have to take attendance, and you can enter your email. No one can enter your class, and you can just only take attendance. You can't add student. When you take attendance, yet you don't have any student there, it's sure yet because there is no any student there. Okay, thank you for listening.
All right, thank you for that presentation. Judges, we have 5 minutes for Q&A. The floor is yours.
I don't think the judges have questions for them. They are quiet.
I think I just want to commend them actually. Well, really, really like your presentation and everything. Well, well done to the entire team and to the mentors.
All right, great. So if we don't have any questions, is the team from Zamfara present? If not, the judges will proceed to review all the presentations that have been made so far, and we will announce the winner shortly. So I'll advise everybody to please stay on the call while our judges make their deliberation. That has made a presentation today, regardless of the outcome, you're all winners, and we're very, very proud of you.
I said something too. We are already unmuted, right? No, we are.
Just once, it will.
Is this Zamfara online?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Shakira, we have Zamfara. Right.
All right, judges, please hold on with the review. We have the team from Zamfara present. We will listen to their presentation before we make the final decision. Representing Zamfara State is Government Girls Day Secondary School, Tafe. And the name of this team is Excel Girls. They've been under the supervision of Startup Zamfara Hub. So you have 10 minutes for your presentation, and your time starts now.
Zamfara State, the next slide is. Good day, everyone. My name is Raj. We are here to participate in National Girls in ICT competition, NGICT. Our group name is the Tech Lioness, My Health Tracker. Experience the difference of our innovative solution, My Health Tracker. It's a platform that revolutionized the way people face difficulties of getting access to diagnostic centers that offers the right test for patients with big symptoms and to reduce the uncertainty price challenge and patients that find it hard to achieve their result for future reference. Well, I mean, here to take over with the problem. The problems are as follows. Firstly, difficulty of getting access to the nearest diagnosis center, which offers the right test for patients' specific symptoms. Secondly, price uncertainties. Thirdly, patients find it hard to achieve their result for future reference. According to non-communicable disease key facts published by the World Health Organization 2022, chronic diseases will kill around 41 million people each year. Chronic diseases account for 74% of global deaths, of which 60% occur in low and middle income countries.
Okay, please,
Well, here are the solutions.
Startup Zamfara, please, we need you to share your screen. Tekla NST, share your screen. We can't see your presentation slide.
Application.
And Tech Lioness, please unmute yourself. We can't hear you, and share your screen. Whoever is supporting them, we want to see your presentation.
We are okay now.
Okay, share your presentation slide.
Okay.
Please, the teacher, take the screen and take the device and share the screen, then hand it over to them, please.
Yes.
You mute.
Tech Lioness.
They just left. I guess they're having technical issues. They just left.
Okay. And let's give them another chance, a few minutes, and then if
Hello.
Hello, are you back? Startup Zamfara, are you back? We can see you are back in. Please unmute yourself and present. Startup Jigawa. Sorry, Startup Zamfara, I mean. Startup Zamfara.
Hello, can everyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Shakira.
Is the team from Zamfara back, or should we proceed with reviewing the presentations we've seen? We're very behind schedule, so judges, what do you think?
I don't know if we could just give them 3 minutes. It's 1:23. We could say let's give them to 1:26 so that we're fair enough, you know.
All right. Okay.
Who knows, they could come with a mind-blowing innovation, and so we
Okay.
don't deny them the opportunity. Just so 3 more minutes. The rest has been tabulated already, so it's not an issue.
All right. Okay.
Awesome.
Okay, tech liners are back. Unmute yourself, please, and present. We can see you. Unmute yourself.
Okay. Are we going to come back from the first place?
Judges, should they start afresh, or they should start? They should present from where they were before.
In all fairness, please let them start afresh, because I can't even remember,
Okay.
you know, and then they were not sharing their screen.
Okay.
Okay, we are working on it.
Do you have your presentation slide?
Yeah, we have it.
Share your screen. Where's your facilitator? Where's your teacher?
I'm here.
It's here.
Okay, please, sir, please, can you share your the screen?
Yeah, that's what we are working on.
Okay, there is a button that says share screen.
Okay.
You click on it, and then you.
We can find it.
We cannot find it.
Are you using a phone or a laptop?
Where is it? A laptop? Share, right?
It says share.
Share.
Yes, we have seen
Yeah.
Okay.
When you click on it, you have the presentation slide on the computer already. You have opened it, right?
Yes, we have seen it.
Yeah, click on share and then you, okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Okay.
From Zamfara State, the Tech Lioness. Good day, everyone. My name is Khadija Laden Ahmed. With me here is Amina Sraj. We are here to participate in National Girls in ICT competition, NGICT. Our group name is the Tech Lioness. My health tracker. Experience the difference of our innovative solution. My Health Tracker is a platform that revolutionized the way people face difficulties of getting access to diagnostic centers that offers the right test for patient-specific symptoms and to reduce the uncertainty price challenge and patients that find it hard to achieve their result for future reference. Well, my sister here is going to take over with the problems. Problems are as follows. 1. Difficulty of getting access to the nearest diagnosis center that offers the right test for patient-specific symptoms. Secondly, price uncertainty. Thirdly, patients find it hard to obtain their result for future reference. According to non-communicable diseases key facts published by the World Health Organization (WHO) in September 2020, chronic diseases will kill around 41 million people each year. Chronic diseases account for 74% of global deaths, which 66% occur in low and middle income countries. Solutions. Here are the solutions. Firstly, know the exact laboratory that offers the right test of your specific condition as well as the price of your test. Secondly, search for a nearby laboratory, book an appointment, and get your test done. Thirdly, access the test report from anywhere at any time. Products. A patient can either search the nearest diagnostic center, select the specific test he needs, and ultimately book for his test from his fingertips. Or he can upload his prescription. Thirdly, keep track on his test. Thirdly, get notified when the report is ready. And the last, access his report for further references. Well, here are the unique values. The unique value proposition are as follows. First, cost effective. Secondly, report reusability. Thirdly, availability, accessibility, and affordability. Here are in our app, we have all the answers for your questions. We have answers for your question based on investment, partnership, and mentorship. Well, our team name is the Tech Lioness. Our team name is the Tech Lioness. Thank you for the opportunity given. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation. Judges, you have 5 minutes for Q&A.
Tech Lionesses, you really did not want to share your screen, but I had to pay rapt attention. I really love how eloquent you both are, and if you were able to present this without your screen changing on your own end, then that's quite amazing. Quick question, how are we going to make money? How are we monetizing the app?
Your voice is low. Your voice is low.
How are we going to monetize the app, My Health Tracker?
Well, we have a relation with the non-governmental organization, that is the NGO, and the Federal Ministry of Health.
Okay, so you're building relationships with them?
Yes.
Okay, is this solution now built for who is the target audience? Who do you expect to use the app?
Citizens, students, and the rest. People who cannot afford it to go for hospital, they can use their systems at home since we have delivery agents. Or phone. Anything that has access to the internet.
Okay, so even my in-law in Jigawa should be able to access it.
Yes. Even if she's abroad.
Even if she's abroad?
Yes.
Okay. Well done. Huge
If
kudos to
it's
you
if
and to
she's
your
in the
mentor.
universe, she can
If
do
she's where?
it. If she's in the universe,
she can do it since she is
Well,
connected to the internet.
yes, but remember that not everywhere is connected to the internet. So that if you make it through to the national finals, you don't run into that same question again. Not everywhere is connected to the internet.
We are working
on it now.
Okay. So huge kudos to you and to your mentor. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for that presentation. We're going to give our judges a few minutes to review all the presentations. Everyone here has done amazing today. I wish you all the best and we'll announce the winner shortly.
Please, Team Lioness, can you stop sharing your screen? Team Lioness. Tech Lioness, please, can you stop sharing your screen?
No, Judges, are we almost ready?
Almost, Shakira, almost. All right, so I'll go on to announce the results as tabulated by the judges. First and foremost, I would like to say really and truly well done to everybody. This was a very, very close call. Of all the competitions we've had, this has been the really closest. It was very tight. And I really mean it, from first to seventh, it's very, very close. But we'll announce from third to first. So in third position, we have the Dialogue Academy Girls team from Kaduna State. In second position, we have Excel Girls from Zamfara State. And in first position, the winner of the Northwestern Regional Finals is the Bisma team from Sokoto State. I would like to say huge congratulations to everybody, and well done to the mentors who helped put brilliant ideas together. I am not joking when I say it was really, really close. Well done, everybody. Back to you, Shakira.
Thank you very much, Namdi, and congratulations to the team.
Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to call on Mariam Lawan Gwadabe to give a closing remark. Mariam is my colleague and she works for the Office of the Honorable Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, where she is a member of the Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Capital team. So, Mariam, the floor is yours.
Hello. Hello, young innovators.
Hi.
Yeah, congratulations to the winners and congratulations to everyone here. Congratulations. So I would just like to say that briefly, in Nigeria, as in many parts of the world, girls face distinct challenges that can limit their ability to flourish and make full contribution to society. Yet we find ourselves at a crucial juncture where digital technology can serve as a great equalizer, providing opportunities and elevating the voices of girls throughout the country. We should know that the Federal Ministry of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy is committed to closing the digital gender gap under the leadership of Dr. Bosun Tijani to reduce inequalities in tech. So I would like to speak to you directly, to those that have won today, and also all those that have participated today, that this is just the beginning. Seize the opportunities offered by digital technology. Use it to amplify your voices, stand up for your rights, and develop solutions for present challenges. And I urge you to dream big, work hard, and never underestimate the difference you can make. The world awaits your brilliance, creativity, and leadership. Take the opportunity, rise to the challenge, and let your light shine. Congratulations to Team Bisma. Congratulations to all of you that have participated in the competition. I look forward to seeing Team Bisma in the regional competitions and all of you at the national competition. I mean, once again, I commend you for your outstanding efforts, and let's carry the spirit of innovation forward and continue to make a difference in our communities. Thank you all. And I would like to appreciate the volunteer hubs that have supported us all through the project, the regional coordinators, the school administrators, the anchor for today. All of you, I appreciate you, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
All right. So thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here today. And congratulations to the winning team. I look forward to seeing you at the national competition. Bye.
Bye.